After the museum opened in 2021, they came up with the idea to have a digital art piece installation in the entrance area. We were absolutely thrilled to be asked if we could do something creative. And with that, we came up with the idea of rotating hands with LED pixels on them to have a kinetic video wall. And that was the start of the 1,000 Hands project. All development, starting with the concept, over CAD construction, electronics, kinetics, the actual build of the installation was done in-house or with our very close partners.
The Kinetic wall is an exhibit composed of 49 modules. Each of these modules consists of 4 stepper motors. Attached to these motors, there are hands. So in total, we have 196 hands.
The installation was developed to cater for any creative content, so the museum can work with multiple digital artists. For the first experience, SOLIDSENSE teamed up with PlanValley in France and Germany.
We had the idea of adapting the game of life. The game of life is a computer simulation created by the mathematician Conway in the 70s. The idea was not only to display the algorithm as a video on the screen, but to use motion and animated color capabilities of the kinetic wall. So it will create an artwork which is constantly evolving through time. Thus, the visitor will never be able to see twice the same animation on the wall.
Ich freue mich total, dass jetzt die Kinetic Wall von SOLIDSENSE bei uns im Foyer ist. Das ist die absolute Aufwertung auch für unser Haus. Wir sind ein Zukunftsmuseum. Es geht bei uns um Technik. Es geht bei uns aber auch darum, wie Menschen damit in Interaktion treten. Das ist ja eigentlich eine Verbindung von digitalen und physischen Elementen. Und ich glaube, die Besucher und Besucher werden das ganz, ganz erstaunt und aber auch ganz neugierig auffassen. Und ich freue mich schon darauf, wie da die Reaktionen sein werden.